Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to another lesson Uncover English with Shamim. How are you all? Hope you are fine and you are safe. In today's short video, I'm just going how to use gonna perfectly. So let's get the ball rolling. Gonna is the shorter form of going to. Let me give some example. The very first one is that I'm gonna go there. I'm going to go there. I'm gonna talk to you. I'm going to talk to you. I'm gonna teach you. I'm going to teach you. I'm gonna do it. I'm going to do it. The word going to means gonna. This is called contraction, and this is really helpful and beneficial if you want to be a fast and a fluent speaker in English. Hope you really enjoyed this video and learned new things so far. If you so, please just share this video so that others can be benefited. Thank you and Allah Hafiz for today.